Oh man, what is that?
Yep.
Well, good morning, guys. It's Easter Sunday, and I stepped outside and I looked over at the chicken coop, and we had some high winds the other day, and it looks like it peeled up some of my shingles. So I need to fix that because we've got some precipitation coming in the next, was it tonight? Tomorrow morning. So I got to get this the shingles fixed up back on the chicken coop here, and I don't want that to rot my roof. So come on, let's go get this fixed up. Well, first we are gonna get our ladder set up over here. I know I'm gonna need a hammer. I'm probably gonna need some nails, but I'm gonna climb up here and take a look-see first before I bring any tools out. How come you chickies didn't tell me that your roof blew off? And as you can tell, I'll show you right now. Got a little cold last night. The waters are frozen. Alright, we got this ladder set up. Let's run up here quick and take a look-see. Yep. Alright, up on this roof, I just got rolled roofing. It goes, I think I got 4 strips of it here. The wind must have been whipping really hard for the bottom piece to roll up like that. So I am going to need some nails. I'm going to go get a hammer, some nails. I'll have to jump up here and try to roll this back and tuck underneath up here as best I can. I don't know how well it's going to go. It looks like it ripped quite a bit. So I may have some extra leftover pieces of roll roofing in the barn, and I might be able to do a little patchwork if I needed. But the biggest thing is I just want to get something on it for tomorrow. We're supposed to get an inch of snow. Well, first it was 1 to 3, then it was an inch. As of this morning, we're supposed to get an inch of snow tomorrow, which is crazy because tomorrow we're supposed to get an inch of snow, and then next Saturday and Sunday it's going to be in the 70s. So maybe after this last little batch of snow, our weather will be broke, and we can get some relief. We were watching videos last night of last year, and we were already gardening at this point last year, so we're really behind. There's nothing we can do, so we're just gonna roll with it. So let's go get this coop fixed up. All right, guys, we got our chickies here hanging out with us. So I got some roofing nails and my slammer. So I usually put cold tar on the nails. I don't know if I have any or not. I will look in a little bit. Like I said, if I get this taken care of, it'll at least help for tomorrow, and then I can properly fix it maybe next weekend. But being Easter Sunday, and I think it's about 10 o'clock in the morning, we were just getting ready to start making Easter dinner, and Candace is inside doing that real quick while I'm out here fixing this guy up. All right. Right, we got our shingles nailed back up and it wasn't too bad. All right guys, I just got back from the barn and I was looking for some coal tar or asphalt sealant. I actually found an old tube of asphalt sealant, but it was bad and wouldn't come out of the tube, so we're gonna call that for now. And I just wanted to say happy Easter to everybody, and thanks for sticking around with this crazy, wacky channel of ours and seeing all our shenanigans that we got going on day after day. So you guys have a great holiday weekend, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hammer. Hammer time. Hammer time.